Welcome to Knotty Devil Creations. Today we're turning a Gatsby click pen with a black hybrid blank. I'd like to say thank you to everybody that voted on the Facebook poll. This was a very fun turn and I really love this pen, so whoever wins this at the end of this video is surely going to love it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already hit it. And hit that thumbs up on the video so that know you guys are liking what I'm doing. And I'll see you at the end of the video. Well, this is what everybody was waiting for the very end, so we could find out who won. I have it's like a little thing. It has everybody's name in here, all 33. There's a couple black balls in there. They know why there's black balls in there. So we're gonna go ahead and do this right now. So we'll hit the little button and let it roll. Paul. So, Paul, send me your information over Facebook in a private message, and we'll get that pinned to you. And thanks for everybody that did vote in that poll. It does mean a lot to me, and your continued support. So, till next time, I'll see you.